Alright, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class, we are going to be looking at the commutative property and the associative property of a binary operation. Now, how do I know that this is commutative? The first thing is our solution now. We know that for us to show that it is commutative, number one, for us to show that it is commutative means we want to say that what? That A star B, we want to show that A star B is equal to what? B star what? Star A. Now, how do we do that? We are already given the A star B. So, our A star B, that's the question they gave us. Our A star B is equal to what? Our A star B is what? 2A minus 1 all over what? All over 2 plus B. So the first important thing to do here is first get the LCM, make it straight. By getting the LCM, that will be what? A star B. Our A star B will be equal to what? What will be the LCM here? The LCM will be what? 2. Are you seeing that now? So 2A minus 1 in 2 into these 2 here, 2 into, that will give us what? That will give us 1. Abi 1 times 2a minus 1, that will give us 2a minus 1. Then this is over 1. So 1 in 2, that's 2. 2 times b, so that is 2b. Are you seeing that now? So that means our A star B will now become, so our A star B will now become what? 2a plus what? 2b minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Are you seeing that now? So we've gotten our what? Our A star B. So this is our A star B now. Now let's now do B star A. B star A. B star A means anywhere I see A in this equation now, I'll put B. Are you seeing that now? Just like the way we did our this thing before. So anywhere I see A, I'll put B now. Are you seeing that now? And anywhere I see B, I'll put what now? I'll put A. What this is saying is, if I do this, will I still get this type of equation? Now let's see. This will now become what? 2. Instead of A now, I'll now have what? B plus 2. Instead of B now, I'll now have what now? I'll now have what? I'll now have A, then minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Now, that means our B star A, if I rearrange our B star A, that means you can know this is still the same thing as what? As 2A minus, 2A, this is the same thing as what? As 2A plus 2B minus 1 all over what? All over 2. You see, 2B, this is positive 2B, this is positive 2A. Are you seeing that? It is still the same thing as 2A plus 2b. Now I can see that this one, you can see this one that I start here, and this our A star B also. You can see that they are both the same now. So since they are both the same, that means A star B, is equal to what? B star what? B star A, and that fulfills our commutative property. Are you seeing that now? That fulfills our what? Our commutative property, and that is all. Are you seeing that now? That is all. Now let us now do the next one, which is what? The commutative, the associative property. What does associative property says? Associative property says that what? Associative property says that A star B, so that's let me write it smaller. So this is A star open bracket B star C should give us what? A star B star C. Are you seeing that now? Now this is a very serious one here now. Let's divide the line into 2 because it will be long. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now you want to show that are these equal. Don't forget now, our A star B, what's our A star B? Our A star B is what we have here in this equation, this particular one. we just open the bracket. That's why we have this. So our a star b is what? 2a plus 2b minus 1. So this is 2a plus 2b minus 1 all over what? All over 2. This is our a star what? This is our a star b. So what will now be our, we did not have b star c. We don't have this b star c that is here. So how do we now get our b star c? Our b star c will now be, look at it, b star c will be what? Anywhere I see a, I'll put what? I'll put b. Anywhere I see b, I'll put what? I'll put c. Are you seeing that? That means this one now become what? 2b plus what now? 2c minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Are you seeing that now? So I have gotten my b star c now. I have gotten my b star c. Now, if I want to now do, look at, I want to do a star. Now I want to do a star, open bracket, b star c. Now this means, look at this one. It means in my original equation, a star b, in my original equation, this one that I marked here now, anywhere I see a, I'll put a. Anywhere I see b now, I'll now put this b star c there. Look at it. So it will now become 2a. So this it will still be 2a. I think then plus 2b. So instead of 2b now, I'll now write 2 open bracket what? B star c. Are you seeing that now? Instead of that, I'll now write what? B star what? Star c. So I think I'll need to clean this line now. Alright. So this will be b star c, then minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Do you understand that part? Now let me re-explain again. Look at it. You want to do a star open bracket b star c. If you look at my previous example, my first video on introduction to binary operation, I did something like this. I told you that if you want to do this b star c now, it means anywhere you see b in the original equation, you are going to put what? B star c. And that is why you can see that we have to go and find our b star c first. So this is in our original equation now, which is this one that I marked here now. Are you seeing that now? In this place. Now, what is your a? A is still a. Are you seeing that? A is still a here. A is still a here now. Are you seeing that now? And then anywhere I see b now, I will now put this what? This b star what? B star c. And that's what you can see that I did here now. So this will now become what? 2a plus 2. What's your b star c? So you now open a bracket. We already have our b star c. What's our b star c? Our b star c is what? 2b plus what? 2c. This is our b star c here. This one. This is our b star what? This is our b star c. Are you seeing that now? This one that I marked here now, like this. This is our b star c. So that's what I'm putting in this bracket now. 2b plus what? 2c minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Are you seeing that now? Then this minus 1 that is here, this is it back. Are you seeing that? This minus 1 that is here, this is it back. All over, are you seeing? All over this 2 that is here, this is it now. Are you seeing that now? Confirmed. Now from here, 2 can cancel these 2 here. Yes or yes? Yes. So what will I now have? We have it as 2 has cancelled 2, so I'll be left with what? I'll be left with 2a plus what? 2b plus what now? 2c minus 1, then this minus 1. Are you seeing that? Can see how I got this? So everything here, this 2a plus this 2b that is here, this 2c that is here, this minus 1 here, then this minus 1 that is here. That's everything I have here now. All over this our 2 that is under 2. I see. So if I add up, this will be what? 2a plus what? 2b plus what? 2c minus 2. Because minus 1 will give you minus 2. Minus 1 will give you minus 2. All over what? All over 2. Now you can see that 2 is common in everything. So I'll bring 2 out into bracket what? A plus b plus c minus 1. 2 in 2 will give us 1. Abi? All over what now? All over 2. So these two will now cancel these two. That means our A star open bracket B star C is now what? Is now what? A plus B plus C minus 1. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer. Now, we have gotten this. What the work is now telling us is, if I now do A star B star C, will I still get this answer? That is what I want to do now. Alright, so let's change our pen. Let's use red now. So let us clean these parts. Let's clean some parts. So let's clean this particular side. Alright, so don't forget, what you want to do is to show that the left hand side is equal to the what? To the right hand side. And to do that, we've done the right hand side. I get what I'm saying. We've done the left hand side now. Now we want to do the what? We want to do the right hand side. And that implies that the answer I should get should be this A plus B plus C. You can pause this video and try to solve it on your own. Alright, so I believe that you've done that. So now let's do this. So now you want to do what now? You want to do A star B star C. You can see that this is in bracket. Now what does this mean? Now this will mean that what? Anywhere I see A, I will put this what? A star B. Anywhere I see A in my original equation, I will put A star B. And anywhere I see B now, I will put what now? This A star C that is here. I will put this C that is here. Are you seeing that? So this will now be what? 2. Instead of writing A now, I'll write what? A star what? A star B plus 2. Instead of writing B now, what will I write now? I'll write C, then minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Are you seeing that now? So this will now become what? Our A star B. So I don't even need to write all those ones again. So let me just work with the equal to that I have here. So this will now be 2. Now you know that we have our A star B. What's our A star B? Our A star B is what? 2A plus 2B minus 1 all over what? All over 2. Then plus what? This 2C that is here. 2C minus 1 all over what? This 2 that is here. 2. Are you seeing that now? So 2 here can cancel these 2 out. You can see that I'm not coming down. It is only because they are separated by multiplication. That's why they can cancel out. So 2 cancel 2. So what will you be left with? You'll be left with what? 2A plus what? 2B minus 1. Then plus what? 2C. Then what? Minus 1. All over what? All over 2. Are you seeing that now? Do you understand what I did there? This 2A has come back here. This 2B has come back here. This minus 1, this is it. This minus 1, this is it here. Minus 1, this is it here. Then plus 2C that is here. This is it here. Then minus 1 that is here. This is it. Now, add up. You can collect like them. So this will be 2A plus what now? 2B plus what now? 2C. Minus 1 minus 1. That gives us minus 2. All over what now? All over 2. What is common among them? 2. Are you seeing that now? So I'll be left with what? A plus what? Plus B plus C minus 1. Because 2 in 2 is minus 1. All over the denominator now, which is what? 2. Then you can see that 2 cancel 2 here. Now you can see what's our answer to. Our answer is what? A plus B plus C minus 1. You can see that our answer here is the same thing as what we have here. Can you see that now? So you now say that therefore your A star open bracket B star C, which is the first one you did, is equal to this next one that we got now, which is what? A star B star C. Do you get that now? So this is the answer of your question. All right, so don't forget where we started from. We started with the commutative property, which shows that what? A star B equal to what? B star A. That one is always very simple. all right, and then we move on to the associative property, which we did this way. All right, so let me give you an assignment. Yes, let me give you an assignment so that you can try on your own. All right, so let me give you an assignment so that you can also try this and determine if they are they are associative and then commutative. So let's say given x star y equals to x plus y plus 3xy. Yes, you want to show if this is commutative, you want to show if it is also what? Associative. So you should check if it is commutative and associative. All right, so for God's love student, make sure you submit your answer to the right authority, and you can submit in the comments section. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. All right, so thank you very much for watching and do have a great day. Right.